Hello guys, I welcome you all to today's video, and of course it is a beautiful Wednesday morning and it is a wonderful day for each and every one of us. I must say a big thank you to you guys for all the results you shared with me yesterday. Yesterday's trading activities were it was so beautiful. During the video yesterday we just freestyle on some analysis that can give us more opportunity with the market, within the market, and so that we can make $100. And to my surprise, I saw some screenshots that amazed me, that really amazed me. Most of the subscribers made over $100 yesterday, and I'm really happy. I must say a big thank you to you guys for trusting in me, for believing in me. I was saying $200 and above, most especially from those that are having the 3M trend milker trading indicator. Okay, and of course you should remember, for those of you on the Telegram channel, we continued with the analysis on the Telegram channel, and more people were able to make more profit right from there. And I think it's going to happen again today. We will be doing some analysis also on the Telegram channel, so if you're not there, you can take some time to join the Telegram channel. The link to the Telegram channel is in the description box below this video. We are ready to make money in this year, and we all will make money in this year. All you just need to do is just to stick to the plan, and let's follow up with the rules and regulation guiding the trading activities. Okay, that is very important. So in today's video we will be looking at spikes trading strategy. Okay, in my last video I showed you, while I was doing the analysis, I told you that I will be explaining to you how you can trade spikes easily using the 3M trend milker trading indicator. And of course, many people were so excited. I got so many messages from most of my subscribers, and of course I've promised you guys that I will be bringing it up to the table again. Then definitely we will be looking at that in today's video. But before I go fully into it, in case you are joining us for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is the platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, and of course make sure you understand the strategies shared there, practice it and perfect it first on your demo account before you can start trying them out on your real account. This is very important. Okay, and if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. So quickly guys, let's go straight into what we have right here. So like I said earlier on, we will be checking out spikes trading, how we can trade spikes successfully and make some good profit for ourselves at the end of the day. Okay, when we talk about spikes trading, it has to do with boom and crash, and of course it also has to do with that sudden movements that pumps up or crash down whenever you are trading. Okay guys, just the way we seen it right here for boom 1000, and you can see this bearish candle. It was going down gradually, and all of a sudden you just see this candle spiking up all of a sudden. Let me take it to 1 minute time frame so that you will understand it. Okay, so you can see this. Okay, you can see the bearish candle, it goes down, and all of a sudden it spiked up and claimed so many candles. You can see this goes down, all of a sudden it spiked up and claimed so many candles. You can see this. You can imagine you coming in right from here, to trade, and you got to this region, and this single candle claimed all the profits which you have made and even put you in loss. Just a single spike. Okay, you can imagine guys. So these are some of the things that we will be checking out and we'll be seeing how to trade these spikes right from here. Okay, and it's going to be very easy for us to do. It also happens in crash also. If you check crash, it's the opposite direction is that of crash. Crash, it goes up and all of a sudden it crashed down according to the name. You just see it crashing down according to its name. Okay, you can see this going up for a very long time. Then once it gets to the resistance zone, you just see it crashing down all of a sudden. Okay, so but if you should notice, you notice that within this region where we had red flag, we had so many crashes happening around here compared to when we had our yellow flag right here. We hardly have crash down candles showing up around here. The reason is the trend is different. Okay, if you are trading it on the wrong trend, then you might be trapped in the market for a very long time. But if you are trading it on the right trend, then definitely you will definitely get it right. Okay guys, so now let's see how we can go about it. Okay, but there are some few stuff that I need you to know. Okay, let me quickly show you this. Let me quickly tell you this, guys. Okay, I just need a free space to write. Okay, let me write here. Okay, I think this will be okay. So the first thing you need to consider before you can start trading this is the trend. Okay, you need to know the right trend to trade the spike. Okay, that's the first thing. Then the second thing is the resistance and the support zone. Okay, you need to be sure of the resistance and the support zones. Okay, so once you are sure of these, then you are good to go. Then you should be ready to see rates. Okay, this is also very, very important. You should be ready to see rates because sometimes it won't crash or spike immediately. It will have to go into red for a while before it will spike. Okay, that is very, very important. Then you should be able to use a reasonable lot size, a reasonable lot size. Okay, that will help you. It will help you to control your market. Okay, lot size, it will help you to control the market. So all these are very, very important. So when we are talking of trend, for boom, the best time to trade spikes, for boom, the best time to trade spikes is when the market is on uptrend. Okay, is when the market is on uptrend. While for crash, the best time to trade spikes is when the market is on downtrend. Okay, so you need to understand all these. Okay, you need to understand all these so that you will be well guided whenever you are trading. Okay, when we are talking of resistance and support zones, there are places where the spikes usually happen. For boom, it's going to be from the support zone. Okay, from the support zone, while for crash it's going to be from the resistance zone. Okay, from the resistance zone. Okay, that's for crash. Okay, so that is very, very important. So once you are sure of all these, then you will be able to milk the market successfully. Remember guys, the trend is always very, very important. For boom, it has to be on uptrend. We have more spikes happening when the bull market is on uptrend, while for crash we have more spikes or crash down candle being created while the market is on downtrend. And of course we should also consider the support and resistance zone. For boom, in most cases the support zones are those areas where we usually have spikes happening, while for crash the resistance zones are those areas where we usually have spikes happening for crash. Okay, most especially when they are in their right trend, definitely we experience a lot of that happening. So quickly, let's go straight to 5-minute time frame. Okay, like I said, with the 3M trend Milka trading indicator, it is always easy for you to achieve all this. So I will take you down to 5-minute time frame. This is 5-minute time frame, and of course we are on boom 1000. You can see right there boom is on downtrend, but when it got to this support zone, it was unable to break out from there, so it went back on uptrend. You can see the yellow flag, it went back on uptrend. If you should notice around here, there are so many spikes happening around here. So if I were you, once it gets to this support zone, I'm going to place an order right there and see if it will pick it up. If it will pick it up, and let's see if it will break out from there. If it does not break out from there, then definitely it's going to spike. Okay, and of course, if you don't want to waste time thinking if it will break out or not, once you see it going back on uptrend, you've seen this arrow, you've seen the red yellow flag, then you can place your pending order around here, and once it picks up a spike, then you should know that it will keep on spiking till the end of the trend. Okay, so that is it. So you can always use that to milk the market successfully. Here is another opportunity. Check it out. It's also started spiking right from there, and it spiked up till it got to this region. And if you should follow up with the trend, you will notice that it has not been able to break out from here, from this resistance zone. Okay, it has been maintaining the same resistance zone right from there. Okay, so you can see it. So you should know that you should be closing your trade once it gets to this region. Here is another opportunity, and once you come in right here, it keeps on spiking until it gets to this region. Okay, right here it went above the resistance zone because it was very close to it right from there, and of course it spiked till it got to this region. Okay, that was when it was going back into downtrend. You can see it going back into downtrend around here. So that is very, very important. You will be able to get it right from there. Okay, once you are on the right trend, you will definitely make a lot of profit. You can see this had been on downtrend for a very long time, but when it got to the downtrend around, to the support zone around there, it was unable to break out below it. It was a major support zone, and we had our arrow popping out around here. So let's say you didn't place an order here. Okay, we saw the arrow popping out, then you can now place an order somewhere here. Okay, you can see right from here, this is the beginning of the trend, so you can be in the market for a very long time. So you can see it kept on spiking and spiking, and at this stage you can easily bring in another trend line to map out your supports, to create a stop loss to stop it from getting back all the profits you have made. Okay, you can see it kept on spiking and spiking. It has gotten to this region. You can introduce your stop loss in case it's trying to pull back. Okay, and of course you increase the margin, and that way once it gets to your stop loss, the profit between here and here will go straight to your capital, to your balance right from there. So you can see it kept on spiking till it got to this resistance zone, and it was unable to break out from there, so it pulled back and it started a new trend from here. Okay, you can see right from here it kept on spiking up and up and up and up, guys, till it got to this major resistance zone. You can be in the market right from there, from the beginning of this trend to the very end. Okay, if you know your way about it, all you just need to do is just to make sure you follow the instruction. The arrows are there to guide you, the flags are there to guide you, and the flags will show you the right trend. You will be able to know your entry point with the arrows, and of course most especially if you are starting right from the beginning, you will be able to make a lot of profits with it. And that is how it works, guys. And the same thing is applicable to crash. You can see it right here. When the market was on uptrend, there are lesser amount of spikes happening, but when the market went back on downtrend, check it out. We had more spikes happening around there. Okay, more crash down candle right happening around there. You can see it right from here. When we got the sell arrow somewhere here, it started crashing and crashed down till this level, played around there for a while, but broke out below it and still crashed and crashed till it got to this region. So you can imagine you can be in the market for a very long time and make a lot of profits with it. Once you are starting right from the beginning of the trend, you can make up to $500 right from here if you truly know what you are doing. It's all about practicing. It's all about getting used to the trading tool you are using. Okay, so once you understand it, then you will be able to milk the market successfully. This particular trading tool makes it very easy for you to milk the market successfully. Okay, it makes it very easy for you to milk the market successfully. All you just need to do is just to follow up with the instructions guiding it, and of course you will be able to milk the market without any hiccups. I will be stopping right here. All you just need to do is just to go back to the chart, do your practice, and see how much profit you are able to make till the end of the day. Okay, by the end of the day. Okay guys, I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.